Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by identifying the physical ports on both phone and television. Look for USB-C, Lightning, or micro USB ports on your phone. Inspect the TV for an HDMI port labeled HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Verify whether your phone supports MHL, SlimPort, or USB-C alt mode for video output. If you are unsure, open the phone settings and check the manufacturer specifications. Knowing the exact port types prevents buying the wrong adapter later on. This step saves time and guarantees a compatible wired solution. Purchase a compatible adapter such as USB-C to HDMI or Lightning Digital AV. Plug the adapter into your phone and attach a standard HDMI cable to it. Connect the other HDMI cable end to the TV HDMI input. If the adapter has a power port, connect your phone charger to provide stable power. Powering the adapter prevents flicker and maintains resolution. Set the TV input to the matching HDMI channel using the remote control. The wired method avoids Wi-Fi and mirrors your phone reliably. After connecting, turn on the TV and select the matching HDMI input channel. Your phone screen should appear on the TV within seconds if the adapter is compatible. If you see no image, disconnect and firmly reseat the HDMI cable and adapter connections. Try a different HDMI cable or an alternate TV HDMI port if needed. Enable screen mirroring or external display in your phone settings where applicable. Use a powered adapter or charge the phone while mirroring to resolve intermittent disconnects and maintain stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.